Girl, it's now or never. We rise before the sun. The moment they realize it, we'll be gone. They put us in the fish tanks.
Nazare, welcome to our channel. Happy Holi. And today we have the one and only XUV 700. Oh my god. This is the key. ये चाबी है और ये ऐसे खुलता है और पुरानी मूवीज में होता था चाकू
हाँ.
Okay. These are the tires. R17 235/65. Big tires. I mean, it definitely looks big, even though they are 17 inches. This is the back tire. This is the footstep. And today, this is basically an ownership review. And we have the owner of the car. गुडुली, जेट ली, ब्रूस ली, उसके बाद गुडुली. ओके, ये दिस इज द ग्रिल. लुक्स रियली ग्रेट. दिस इज द DRL lights. Yeah.
We have the fog line.
And the fog lamps.
Higher.
Fog
Here.
lamps.
इधर नीचे.
These are white fog lamps, right?
हाँ.
ठीक है.
किंतु येलो fog lamp थोड़ा ही better.
Yellow are really nice. Let's look at the front row. This is how you open the door. Wow. Black seats. Almost like it looks good. The finish is good. Plastic, but still good one. It's a manual car and a 5-seater, so we have just the second row here and good spacing. This is the, what is this called? Whatever plate is that? It glows.
Scuff plate.
Scuff plate, yes.
Illuminated scuff plate.
Yes.
To be more specific.
True. This is the second row. It's quite comfortable, doesn't recline. और यहाँ पे भी स्कफ प्लेट्स हैं, ग्लो करते हुए, if you can see. Oh my god, yes. Okay. Doesn't have a third row, so you get a huge, massive boot space. I don't know, some 400 some change liters, I guess. They have a Type C here and the vents here, and you have a small pocket to keep your cell phone. Seat pockets, the big panoramic sunroof. I think Thar's bigger. This is the
Fuel lid.
fuel lid. This is the diesel, and this is the AdBlue, right? DEF. Diesel exhaust fluid. This is the tail lamp. Looks good.
Sequential indicators.
With sequential
Camera.
indicators. This is the camera here.
And the BH number plate.
BH number plate, the Mahindra logo. This is the back wiper, and this is the
Vent for the water to come out.
yep. True. This is the XUV 700 logo, AX5 badging. These are the sensors, back sensors. Looks something like this from the back, and this is the side profile, and that's Guduli. ठीक है, let's go inside. The keys goes in there, and this is how it starts basically. This looks really great. This screen, which is basically flows from here till here. It is a huge screen, I think divided in two parts. and completely digital. These are the knobs for auto start stop, hill descent, traction. I don't know what are these, this and this as well. And this is the lamp adjuster. This is the manual gear knob, and this is the handbrake, and good amount of space here as well. Doesn't come with a wireless charger.
Sorry?
It doesn't come with a wireless charger, right?
No, by default it doesn't. But yeah, if you want, you can add it as part of an accessory.
How much does it cost usually?
8,500.
8,500.
It is definitely not worth paying for.
Yeah, true. So let's take a quick spin and see how it drives. The only difference as of now I can say when you sit is basically where you are seated. Still you can see the entire bonnet, but Thar has a better visibility because of that straight glass that we have in the front, right? This is the sunroof. Opens really nice. Slow motion. Okay. Cool. This is where we are. This is where we are shooting today. Today is Holi. I'm gonna cut that portion where I said Holi.
Holy moly.
Okay. Let me.
If you want, I can hold the camera for you.
Sure.
Okay.
Okay, this really feels nice. The only difference that I found between the Thar and XUV 700 out of all the Mahindra cars that I've driven is basically
The premiumness.
yeah, that too. However, XUV 700 has a better thigh support, I can tell you. It has a better thigh support than the rest of the Mahindra cars. And this car is extremely powerful. I think they all come with the same engine, Scorpio N.
Yeah, the same 2200
Yeah, 2.2 liter
diesel engine.
diesel engine. I think 100 and how many BHPs?
182.
180
Yeah, I'm not sure about
plus HP. Yeah, we are not sure about that. But in terms of drivability, this is really great. I'm feeling good when I drive. You're seated high, right? How do you feel when you drive this car, Guduli?
I just enjoy driving the car, and the best part is you feel supreme when you drive it.
True.
The only con which I have experienced till now is you parking the car in a busy place, or maybe a place where the traffic is much. It's difficult. Else, I have not got any other concerns with the vehicle till now, and it's going to be 2 years or maybe 3 years in another 2 to 3 months. So the overall ownership experience is quite good, and even the service cost is quite low. So I think you can go for it if you are looking for a big car but not so pricey. Then I think this is something which you should opt for.
So what is the service cost that you gave last time when you did?
It was roughly some 6k to 7k if I'm not mistaken, but yes, something plus or minus.
That, my friends, is cheap.
Yeah, indeed.
Right? And no, we are not talking about the price of the car. We are talking about the price of the
Service cost.
service cost.
Yeah.
True. And it is cheap. So if you are considering buying this car, so let's talk about this. How do you define, basically, what are the top 5 pros of buying this car?
First of all, the power.
Okay.
So it is at par, maybe of any mid-size SUV. If you compare, let's say, a Fortuner or Scorpio, it is at par to that. So in terms of driving or in terms of power, you will never feel a lag.
Okay.
And the second thing is the bigger display that we have.
This is the display.
The massive display. But yeah, like in the recent recent time cars which are coming up in the market, so even they do provide this kind of setup. But considering the time when I bought it, like maybe back in 2022, yeah, this was probably one of the biggest display available in the market then.
Yeah, that's right. And even I got the Jeep, but it also has a, I think, 10.1 inch screen. But this is really big, guys. I mean, if you're ever considering buying an XUV 700, you will love the display.
Yeah.
And the manual drives really well. I mean, it's really smooth. The steering, since this is a electronic steering, not a hydraulic one, it feels very light, as if you're driving a small car, which makes it very easy to drive
In the city.
in the city
And even in busy traffic.
and even in busy traffic. So, and
Coming to the
Yeah.
fuel economy of it, like if you can zoom out, like zoom in a bit on the screen, like we can see the average is showing 19.9, and which I think is like more or less accurate. And I think that amount of average is quite decent.
true, and that too in a city. और क्या है गुडुली?
So I think we have already discussed 3 points. So I think the fourth one would be the visibility in the night.
The lights are good.
Yeah, the lights are good. They comes with a halogen headlight.
Not halogen. I don't think halogen. These are projector
Sorry, these are
headlamps.
probably LED lights. Sorry.
Projector LED lamps.
Projector LED.
Yeah. Guduli. What
Yes.
else?
See, if the video would have been in Hindi, I would have said, "एक
Go
होता
ahead.
बताऊं."
Go ahead.
There are not like
Hindi में बात करते
a number of reasons which for which somebody can go for this vehicle.
हाँ.
Yeah, right now nothing is on top of my mind right now.
हाँ.
But yes, there are several reasons that
but
we can
experience-
go for. We have one XUV 700 there on the opposite side of the road. You see it? There it is.
But इसका comfort level अलग है. Seats भी काफी अच्छे हैं, right?
And if you have kids, definitely they will get a lot of place to play around within the car.
Yeah.
So I do have twins, and both of them are going to be like turning 3 in next 2 months or so. So they get ample amount of space to play around within the car. They enjoy it.
Great. और कौन के हिसाब से क्या हो सकता है, मतलब नेगेटिव चीजें कुछ हैं गाड़ी में?
So like especially these days the second version of this particular AX5 has got some few additional or extra features which I think was not given in the initial model. But yeah, this is good.
Sorry.
मुधर जी तो आराम से चला मतलब कौन कर रहा है? Do I need to press something?
No, we are good. It has started. So anyway, we are closing this
Video
video.
because it's going to be 8:30 in the morning and we are already hungry.
तो अभी जाके थोड़ा सा कुछ खा लेंगे.
हाँ, क्योंकि पेट पूजा करने के लिए हमारे पास लोग हैं. We have Samlesh Das with us. So he is basically a software professional who does his work from home.
Okay. That's
Okay.
it for today. Thank you so much.
For watching.
Happy Holi.
Babaji rocks.
Babaji rocks.